Alright guys, so it has been quite a while since I have downloaded a video on this channel. I downloaded another video yesterday, I believe. Yes, it is. It is there. So, today I'm going to show you the JoJo datapack. I'm just gonna find the website. This one I have. Okay, so I got everything, and yeah, and the recipes are here. One blazer with one golden gate creates a standard row. And this one amethyst, 4 glass pens, and one black die is a stand disc. A disc that can relieve your stand. And this is a full creamy roll to upgrade it. So, okay, take a standard roll. Come on. Which stand will we get? Like, okay, which do I survive? Oh, yeah, there's a chance that I'll survive or die. Let's see what happens to me. This takes so long time. And I've actually tried this data pack before. Well, I have kind of, but echoes, echoes. Hmm? Who's echoes? Hmm? What is this Mirage? I'm sorry, but I don't. I don't like this one. I didn't like this one. Well, you can also choose. Also use command. Okay. That's for function command. Okay. Plus function j j j c and get the k command slash get stand slash get stand. Yay! The world? What do you think? The world? Star platinum, silver chariot, open green, hermit purple, uh, cream, magician's red, dark moon, emperor, gem, crazy diamond, the hand echoes, heaven's door. As much as it. Who cares? Okay. What happens now? And that's your heaven's door. Come out. What can I do with this? Hmm? Huh? What the? What the? What can I do with this? Can I work for it? You know what? It's not worth having it. I'm just making a stack. I'm just making a stack. Why? Just for fun. And why not? And there's a lot of them. Okay. Um, in these data packs, they take a lot of place. To be honest, it is so laggy. And now crap. Give me that. Yes. It's lined it up perfectly. Good. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. One, just one. We really need to drop one at a time. Alright, guys. I'll see you in a minute. So, guys, I found out that these stem emojis cannot go with each other. Right now, I'm taking on my auto clicker, and it doesn't work. And I'm not going to destroy it. I'm just kidding. Now, well, oh, wait, I'm ready. Wait, okay. Now, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liking it, and leave a comment down below what your favorite stand in JoJo is. Peace.